Beginning this coming Monday, every adult in the state of Texas will be eligible for the coronavirus vaccine, but some Texans have said they will not be getting it.
Data show more people in younger age groups are considered vaccine hesitant. KXAN investigator Avery Travis looked into what that means for Texas's vaccine rollout.
My husband refers to me as the top 1% of paranoid COVID people.
As a physician and a new mother, Dr. Anissa Hossein takes safety seriously. She had a lot of questions about the COVID-19 vaccine while expecting.
When there's a possibility of something happening to your little one that's not even born yet, the risk just becomes so much higher.
According to Texas A&M researchers, women and African Americans are the two largest demographics of people in the country who don't plan to get the vaccine, and that's about 30% of people.
Comparing this to the eye of a hurricane, you're in the eye, you think everything looks good, and then that next big wave is about to hit. The last thing we need is an aggressive anti-vaccine movement to try falsely discrediting vaccines and providing misinformation.
Texas immunization expert Dr. Peter Hotez worries with variants on the rise, it will threaten our ability to reach herd immunity.
The more transmissible the virus is, the higher percentage of people you have to vaccinate to halt transmission.
But state health officials tell us they're encouraged. They've been using data from the Journal of American Medicine. It shows more people hesitant to get the vaccine among younger populations. However, as more Texans get vaccinated,
vaccine hesitancy has really seemed to decline. I think, as more people get vaccinated, more people know people who have and, haven't had any ill effects.
I read through the FDA manuscript.
As more information came out for new moms and pregnant women, Dr. Hossein decided to get the shot, and now she's an advocate.
I will be protected. There is so much immunity that I could pass on to my baby.
Avery Travis, KXAN Investigates.
KXAN investigators looked over the vaccine research and safety recommendations for pregnant women and new moms. You can dive into those investigations and find more stories on the rollout right now on our website. Look for the special Texas Coronavirus Vaccine tab.
One possible reason why the state opened up vaccine eligibility to all adults is because of how many younger people are turning out for their shots. KXAN investigators compiled data from the state of how many people of certain ages are getting vaccinated on a given day. The green line here represents the 16 to 49 age group. You can see from January to mid-February there were spikes where about 40,000 people were getting vaccinated some days. This month the numbers have been even higher. More than 90,000 people in that age group were vaccinated on March the 11th.
The eligibility expansion comes as we see a decline in the number of Texans getting shots. You can see the rolling average for all doses dipped over the last week. Even so, the state reports we're still averaging more than 158,000 doses a day. More than 27% of people in Central Texas have had at least one shot.